Ever thought about traveling solo but worried about safety? You are not alone. The thrill of exploring new places on your own is unmatched, but it comes with its fair share of risks. That's where preparedness kicks in. Being proactive and understanding the safety measures can turn uncertainties into exciting adventures. From packing essentials to maintaining situational awareness, it's all about being smart and alert. So let's dive into some safety tips and hacks that can make your solo travel experience safer and more enjoyable. First things first, the art of packing. What you carry can either make or break your travel experience. Let's start with the essentials. A first aid kit is a must-have. It's compact, yet it could be a lifesaver in a pinch. Next, a multi-purpose tool is your best friend when traveling solo. It's like having a mini toolbox at your disposal, ready to help with any unexpected hiccups. Don't forget the emergency whistle. It might seem old-fashioned, but it's a simple and effective way to draw attention if you're in distress. And of course, always have copies of your personal documents. If you lose your passport or ID, these copies will be your saving grace. A well-packed bag is more than just convenience, it's your lifeline. It's about anticipating your needs and ensuring you have the tools to navigate any situation. Remember, packing smart is the first step towards a safe and successful solo travel experience. Now let's talk about staying connected. It's crucial, especially when you're on your own. You see, the world is a big place, and as a solo traveler, communication is your lifeline. It's the thread that keeps you tethered to your safety net back home. Imagine having a reliable communication device like a smartphone with a robust data plan. It's not just a tool for posting your adventures on social media, it's your map, your translator, your guide. And with GPS-enabled apps, you're never truly lost. Sharing your itinerary with trusted contacts is another critical aspect of staying connected. Let them know where you'll be and when. Regular check-ins are also a must. A simple text or a quick call can provide peace of mind for both you and your loved ones. In a way, staying connected is like having a virtual travel companion. It's comforting to know that even when you're miles away, you're never alone. Staying connected with your loved ones back home can be your biggest lifeline when traveling solo. Next on the list is situational awareness, an essential skill for any solo traveler. It's like having an invisible shield, keeping you safe as you navigate through unfamiliar territories. It's all about being mindful of your surroundings, understanding the environment, and making smart decisions based on what's happening around you. Picture this. You're exploring a bustling market in a foreign city. Your senses are bombarded with exotic sights, sounds, and smells. But amidst the thrill, you remain vigilant. You keep your belongings close, you're conscious of the people around you, and you're attentive to the vibe of the place. This, my friends, is situational awareness in action. Avoiding risky areas is part of the game. Do your research before you travel. Learn about the neighborhoods to avoid, the common scams in the area, and the local customs. Knowledge is power, and in this case, it's your safety net. But remember, it's not just about what you know, it's also about how you feel. Trust your instincts, they're your internal warning system. If something doesn't feel right, it probably isn't. How do you enhance your situational awareness? First, minimize distractions. Keep your phone in your pocket, not in your hands. Second, practice observation. Look for anomalies in behavior or the environment. Third, plan ahead. Think about your actions and possible outcomes. Being aware and alert can save you from many potential dangers out there. To wrap it up, traveling solo is an incredible experience, but safety should always be your priority. Let's quickly revisit the main points we've covered in this journey of solo travel safety. First, we explored the art of smart packing. Prioritizing essentials, keeping it light, and ensuring you have everything you need without overloading your backpack. Next, we emphasized the importance of staying connected. It's not just about having a working phone or internet access, but also about maintaining contact with family or friends back home, and knowing the local emergency numbers. Our third point focused on situational awareness. We discussed how to stay alert and aware of your surroundings, understanding local customs and norms, and knowing when to trust your instincts. Remember, preparation and awareness are your best allies when traveling solo. So be smart, be safe, and enjoy your journey.